The following tutorial explains how to visualize 3D X-rays from third-party manufacturers on DS Core. Let's begin. To begin, upload your 3D X-ray files. DS Core supports the following file formats: multiple single-slice DCM files in a folder, or one multi-slide DCM file. These file types are common options when exporting DICOM X-ray data from imaging systems. Once your files are uploaded, navigate to the viewer where visualization is enabled for 3D X-rays from Carestream, Morita, and Planmeca. More manufacturers will be added in the future. The integrated 3D viewer on DS Core provides the same viewing options as with a Dentsply Sirona CBCT. The viewing capability is also enabled for share recipients and labs, making collaboration even more seamless. Please note that it is currently not possible to display third-party CBCTs in the canvas for patient consultation. This functionality will be added in the future. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about NewD's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.